banget.
Ada sini. Masak.
Bank tolong bagi you number, kita bagi you.
Lepas ni bagi Mister.
Thank you. Dah.
Okay.
Okey.
Ucapan.
Dia nak bagi fish tak?
Sikit. Okey. Dah.
Okay.
Okey.
Ucapan.
Dia nak bagi fish tak?
Sikit.
Okay, retirement.
Thank you to all the members of represented here, and I'm really touched that all of you here for me. After 21 years in the public bank, time comes, and I want to enjoy my life.
Jangan nangis,
Yes. And especially credit department who supported me so much.
Hey, no be on buy stack already now.
And all the, I think most of them, I'm the oldest member with Rashida Rashid. Rashida is not here. I'm so sad. She's not here. She's not well. I hope she recovers faster. And
Gathering again.
I will definitely come back to the office. I'm going to be enjoying my life with my children, my wife. Enough lah. Work so hard already. I settled everything now. So now time for me to travel and enjoy my life again. And I will wish all of you all the best with your family and with your children. I think time is precious. We don't know anything can happen in our life. Tomorrow's nothing is permanent. Spend more time with your family. The main reason I resigning is because my children.
Yeah.
I want to spend more time with my sons while growing up now in the sports. So I will travel with my son for sports now. He's in the state team now. So yeah. Other than that, I'm really going to miss this branch because this is my first job and my last job. I work for
Yeah,
people. And definitely I must thank the Public Bank. Who I am today, the 51 years old, is because of Public Bank.
Dah, dia cakap Royal Selangor Chairman. Macam ni lah.
And of course, I love Tan Sri so much. He's no more here. And grateful to the person, one of the inspired men who give us the opportunity to work. And we are young. And today we are somebody. I'm not that rich, but affordable.
Yes.
And Public Bank is always in my heart. I know the pressure in Public Bank is always there, but once you go back home, you just forget about it. You know, come back, of course, work is work. I pity Fazila. I always say, after we retire together, we retire. I say, then I couldn't take it anymore. I'm tired. I'm tired of traveling. Really tired. And hope Siti Sarah can come up. And of course the CAs, whenever I need the letters, Joanne and Ida, always helpful. Always send my letter to either HR, we get unrejected, full leave and all this. Really thank you both of you from the bottom of my heart. Devendran, my lunch partner. Thank you. Thank you. And all the union members. So far I was in the branch almost about 59 years. We didn't face any kind of biggest problem in our branch. We managed to settle this amicably and we always sit down and talk. Of course, sometimes we quarrel, but after that we're back to normal, you know. And lastly, I hope to Rashida Rashid, my good friend. We fight before, we become friends before. Now both of us same age, and she's not well. I hope the God give her better strengthening and all, and be back to work again. Other than that, God bless you. Thank you very much. Miss Tan!
She looked at you, why? You don't let her
Miss Tan! Even though I always shouted to her, she will always say, Miss Tan, she will do for me. I really thank you. And saya tak suka tulis punya orang lah.
Tak suka apa?
Zai is one of the fast worker, and I know her, and she's always fast in that, and I try to do my best to finish everything fast. She's good, and she also, I think up there we are more under pressure, but managed to balance it, because up there definitely a lot of work. I think the counter people don't know what we are doing up there, but definitely I'm telling you, it's tough job. It's not that easy what we are thinking. But ladies are doing a great job up there. Without them, I don't think so we get good results in the branch. And of course, boss, thank you very much for your guidance. And whenever I need a letter, you immediately approve it. I think I don't have any problem with any manager when I was working so many years. I think about 9-10 managers I saw. Anyway, whatever it is, I'm really happy to take this.
Motorbike, right?
Yeah.
Careful.
Yeah. After this, no more motorbike, all area only. I will come one day. We go for lunch, dinner. Royce Lango. I quiet ni lah. I never thought I will give a farewell so fast. Oh, so nice, so nice. Thank you. Tak dapat 30 dia dapat juga lah. It's okay lah, Pak.
Maybe one day.
Wow.
We've been working for 28 years.
Wow, cap.
Wow, thank you very much.
I guess tak ada apa lah.
Tak apa, it's okay. I really appreciate that. And Nazrul also give me one present. Nazrul, thank you bro. Thank you. Ambil gambar. Ambil gambar nanti Mazlan dengan aku kau sama je. Jom.
Mastermind is coming on the way.
So many memories lah. I cannot. Then Nazrul sama birthday ni same bulan. Nazrul, thank you for your support, all of you. And forgive me if I hurt you without my need, Dato' Zul is my good friend at the bank. Always jadi kawan baik saya. Selalu borak politik semua. And Mr. Chok, Miss Chok is very early for me to tell about you, but I think you are good, very pleasant, nice lady to talk, and you are very calmly handling everything. And Kacomel, terima kasih ya. Kisin and Chinese I always disturb her. But I think all of it good lah. Even Surin is not here, it's okay, but a lot of memory. This branch was only one floor branch, very one floor branch. Now it's become double deck already. So much experience, so much memories. I really want to miss this, but for betterment. Thank you very much. And lovely dinner today. This time,
Group picture.
yeah, come. Thank you.